Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix the Dota 2 system screen 002 error. I will show you guys the factory solution, and without wasting your time, let's get started. Click on the gear icon of your Dota 2 game, go to the properties, and in the general you will find the launch option. In the launch option you have to just type the minus auto config. I will give you this command in the description box, and this command you can copy them one by one and just paste in the launch option, and then you can simply launch the Dota 2 game and see your problem is fixed or not. First you can copy the first command and just paste in the launch option and then launch the Dota 2 game, and in 90% cases this first command will fix your problem. And if this first command does not work, then you can try the second command. If the second command does not work, then you can try the third command, and I will recommend you to try all of these commands. Once you paste the command, then you have to close the Steam completely and then open up the Steam, then open up the game of Dota 2, and this will fix your issue definitely. And after trying all of this command, if your problem is still not fixed, then you can go to the install files, click on the verify integrity of game files. Once you click on that, now this built-in function will start repairing your unencrypted files and missing files in your game. So you just need to wait for it, then you just need to restart your PC. Then your problem is definitely fixed. And I hope guys one of the solution work for you, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.